Hello, today I am going to present the beauty of modeling and animation in MX Excel. Myself Chanchal Das. I will be presenting this as a unique case of chessboard, the night tours. The knight's tour problem in chess, the knights move two square in one direction and one square in a perpendicular direction. And the problem is the knight can visit all 64 squares just once and return to its starting point? The answer is yes. Answer is known, but depicting the tour geometrically is a real challenge. There are many efforts to display the knight's tour and very large and complex code to animate the tour. This I am presenting from the book Robinson Wilson's Combinatorics. So I am displaying some. This is I have taken from internet. This is a uh, Flash program which runs to show its path when the knight moves, and this is I have taken a image at the mid of the tour when knight has started movement from this and then this visited, and it has visited the black grayish cells, and white cells are yet to visit. And this is the final depiction of the same flash, and you can see that everything has been covered, every cell it has visited. So this example is known, but the depiction means any students, they will not get any excitement or motivation from seeing this. Just they will learn that this is a problem, but they cannot enjoy the beauty of this unique problem. And this is another effort to show that it can move in all the cells like that. I have created a MS Excel worksheet where I have demonstrated with same problem with some codes. And here my knight is at a starting point which is at cell number 4 by 4, and when we have put a slider on that, and slider is when we move the slider from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that, the movements, already known movements, that knight will start to move in that. And these movements, these cell wise nodes 4 by 4 like that, 1 by 2, 2 by 1, all will go on depicting with this. And lastly we can see that all the cells can be covered. And this is the final position, and you can see that it started at 4.4 4 comma 4 this cell, and it has first moved to 3 2, and then 1 1, and then subsequently it has moved all the cells, and lastly it came back to that 3 6, and then it entered again 4 4. So the starting point and ending point is same. So here to some extent a beautiful graph is there, and this is the colored graph I have created in Excel, but I will be showing the actual Excel sheet